This morning I had a mini panic attack when I realized that Wi-Fi was out. I was at jury duty, so I didn't know, and Wi-Fi was out yesterday. So only the people who got to see yesterday's announcement were smart enough to come, so good job. I'm going to record everything we're going to talk about. So should a friend be like, hey, I missed the meeting, do you know what was discussed? It's going to go on a video. I'm going to put it right at the top of the application, okay? For those of you that I haven't got to meet, I'm Mrs. Chris Weiser. Mrs. Thompson is going to be the other co-moderator for Mu Alpha Theta. And we already started with the returning kids, like they already went through like the dues process and all that stuff, and they will start tutoring next week. When that does start, and if this is when you get into the campus course, you'll see this is like the homepage. They are going to be Mondays after school in my room, which is 402, and then Thursday mornings in Miss Thompson's room, which is 119. That will happen for the first semester because our testing days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. When they switch for second semester, we will pick new days based on those testing days, okay? We try to get it, we don't encourage the cram, but let's be honest, they cram, so that's when they want the help for Mu Alpha Theta. So I'm gonna go through the requirements for applications, and if you have a question, please ask, and then I'll go through like what you will do once you're in the course. Because Mu Alpha Theta, I know it doesn't appear right now, but Mu Alpha Theta is a huge club, so we don't typically meet as a full club. You come for your tutor hours. That's when I see you, okay? Every once in a while, we'll have a big meeting to like hand out the shirts or to like end of the year kind of stuff. Until then, it's when you come for your tutoring hours that I will see you, okay? So application process, most of this is on here, but I wanted to just make sure there was no questions or anything like that. In order, there are two levels to Mu Alpha Theta, active and associate. An active member means that you have to be in your 5th semester or higher of honors math, meaning Algebra 2 honors. If you did Algebra 1 honors, Geometry honors, and Algebra 2 honors, then you're in. Let's say you didn't do Algebra 1 honors, but you started in Geometry. Now you have to do Geometry honors, Algebra 2 honors, and then you should be in Pre-Calc honors, okay? So 2 full years really in your 3rd year of honors math, okay? And that requirement is 10 tutor hours a year. So you have to do 10 between the in-person hours that we offer, the athletic study hall that's in here every afternoon. You can come, I think every afternoon besides Fridays, you can come and help out with the athletic study hall, or you can set up one-on-one Zoom or in-person sessions, which I'll get to those instructions in a little bit, okay? But half of your hours have to come from the in-person. So either I'm signing off those hours, Ms. Thompson signing off those hours, or in athletic study hall, it's usually Mr. Cavone. But it needs to be an Archbishop McCarthy employee that sees you tutoring and signs off on your hours, okay? So 10 is required of active. Active are the ones that get inducted into the National Honor Society of Mu Alpha Theta. So you like get your certificate, you get your name on the actual like Mu Alpha Theta association, that kind of stuff. And if you're a senior, you get your cord during graduation time. If you're an underclassman and you haven't hit your 5th semester of honors yet, then you can become what's called an associate member. It's like a club member. So you're not recognized by the national level of Mu Alpha Theta, but you do get to say on a resume, I was a member of Mu Alpha Theta, okay? They're required 5 hours, so this is all here too, but they're required 5 hours of tutoring in the same ways that we do the 10 hours, either in person here in the afternoons or 119 or 402 during the week, or one-on-one setup of tutoring, okay? The goal of Mu Alpha Theta is to help other kids with math. That's like our job. Any questions so far? Okay, both have an annual dues. The dues will include a shirt. So like I already have the returners working on shirt designs for this year, and that will include your shirt, okay? And then when you do the active, it also covers the cost of me inducting you into the national, and the cords, like it covers all those costs. You have to have a 3.0 unweighted GPA. Unweighted means if it's an honors, the max it can go is a 4. So if you get an A in an honors class, that's a 4.0, okay? If you're like struggling to figure it out, if you have all A's in all of your math classes, then your unweighted is a 4.0, okay? If you got a B, and so we don't do the plus or the minuses. It's either the 4.0 for an A or 3 for a B, okay? What will happen after the applications get turned in is I then pull all of your transcripts and I check all of your math grades. So if something carried over from middle school, it'll say the grade there. That's how I kind of compute your GPA, okay? But just know it should be a 3.0. So if you've ever gotten a C, then you have to have an A to balance it out, if you think about it that way. Okay, I think I got most of that stuff. All right, so then this is the actual what the application looks like, well, in edit form. But it's going to ask you for the information, last name, first name, student ID. It's going to ask you which role you're applying for, the active or the associative. Grade level, and this, try to be really specific and careful. If you're a senior and you've completed at least 2, you're applying for active. If you're a senior and you haven't completed 2 years of honors math, then you're applying for associate. If you're unsure and you have a question, like, feel free to ask me. I'll tell you which one of those to check, but make sure that you check the right one, because that's how I put you in the course, right? So especially if you're a senior, if I don't put you in the right section within the course, then cord time rolls around and you don't have a cord, which is terrible and sad, and that's the whole point. Half of us do it anyways, so you want to make sure you get that stuff taken care of. All right, your cumulative is there. There's a video on how to calculate it, but like we just talked about. And then which course you're currently enrolled in, and which ones you have completed either here at Archbishop or in your middle school, okay? And then you'll submit. These are due the 12th, which is like 2 weeks. After that point, I have to then pull all your transcripts, calculate your GPAs, and then you will be added into the course, okay? So it'll take me and Mrs. Thompson a little bit of time to get that done. Once that's done, you're welcome to start attending the tutoring sessions, okay? Questions on the application? Okay, because again, we probably won't meet in a big group setting. I'm gonna go over, this is what your tutor log looks like. So once you're added into the Canvas course, you'll also get a letter that says like, congratulations, you've been added, blah, 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 blah. But there's an assignment that is one, it's the tutor log instructions, which has all the stuff on the left-hand side. And then the right-hand side is what the tutor log looks like. So I tried to be as transparent as possible, but please, if you have a question, ask it. So it says if you were emailed by me seeking a tutor, that you can screenshot that email and prove that as proof that you're tutoring somebody outside of the school hours, outside of the tutor lab hours. For example, a parent reaches out and says, my kid's really struggling in Algebra 1, do you have a tutor? I will send a blast out to all of Mu Alpha Theta and say, I am looking for somebody to tutor a kid in algebra outside of the Monday after school, Thursday morning hours. And whoever writes me back first gets them. And they will reach out by email and set up a schedule, either in person, Zoom, FaceTime, whatever it is that you want to work out, okay? And then that parent is the one that's going to sign your tutor log. So the tutor log says supervisor/parent signature. An adult has to confirm that they're doing it. I would say if a parent's going to lie about tutoring, that's on them. I'm hoping we'll be honest and won't say that we're doing things that we're not supposed to be doing, okay? The second thing is you arrange your own hours. So this is a friend you know that needs help, a neighbor, a cousin, or whatever. They have to be an Archbishop McCarthy student, but you can set up your own time with them. They can't meet Monday after school, Thursday morning, but Wednesday after school is good, or FaceTime, whatever. You email me, the parent and the kid, all at the same time. So in the to box or in the CC box on your email, you will include all 3 of us. And you say, I'm seeking approval to tutor this student in this subject. And I will write back and I will say, this is approved, screenshot this email and add it to the bottom of the tutor log. That's the tutor log. You'll add that picture to the bottom. That way I know it's been approved. If Ms. Thompson's grading your hours, she knows it's been approved, and we know a parent's aware of the situation. You with me? Okay. Then it says, the last one is, all submitted hours must be verified. If a tutor log is found to be invalid or forged, the student may be immediately dismissed from Mu Alpha Theta. Won't happen, because that's ridiculous, right? We're not going to do that. Once you complete the tutor hours, then you're going to fill out the form on the right-hand side. So the log has your name at the top, okay? It has the date that you're tutoring. So if I tutor somebody today, it's today's date, the start time, the end time. This box is if you were verified by myself, Ms. Thompson, or whoever's in here with Athletic Study Hall. These, you have to have 5 checks by the end, okay? So 5 of your 10 have to come from the in-person. Then, who did you tutor? If you're sitting here in a math lab and you don't actually, there was nobody for you to tutor, you got lucky, you got to sit here and do your homework that day, then you just leave that blank and you can write the math lab or the iCatholic, okay? And then the supervisor or the parent will sign. And then the time for the session. If it's about an hour, put an hour. You don't need to give me like 48 minutes. That's okay, you can round up, all right? And then this is total hours. I would say that this is the thing that drove me the most crazy last year, because as smart as you all are, people can't get this right. If you get 1 hour the first session and then you add a second hour to it, what should go in that box? A 2, because we're gonna add for a total, yeah? Super confusing for some people, so I just want to make sure it's really clear. So you keep turning in this same form. It goes to hour 1 with the 1 hour. Then there's an hour 2 assignment. On the hour 2 assignment, there should be 2 hours. On hour 3, 3, all the way down till hour 10, you should have 10 total hours on that form. Does that make sense? Okay, and we'll be grading as we go. If something's wrong with your form, we'll give you the 0 and we'll put, it's not this, you're missing this, whatever it is, so that you can correct it. The seniors have until March to get their hours. You guys have till May, but do not wait till May to get your hours. You won't finish, okay? You're stressing yourself out. Just don't do it. So you can literally start as soon as you get the email from me that says, congratulations, you've been inducted into the Mu Alpha Theta, okay? Any questions for me? All right, and then the last thing you'll do once you get invited in, you'll get the assignment to do the dues. You go to that. The link is not the regular club link. It's an Honor Society link. You'll pay for your dues. You'll screenshot your receipt, and then you'll add it to this assignment, and that's where you'll give me your t-shirt size. We good? Okay. My email's on the homepage, so is Miss Thompson's. A lot of you know where I am. Feel free to come by and ask a question, okay? I'd rather you ask the question than do things horribly wrong. All right. Have a lovely day.